air travel, next day delivery, fuel for our cars, the safety and freedoms we've all become accustomed to. These don't just happen. Specialized equipment and thousands of skilled people working behind the scenes make it all possible.
Most people, when they fly, get on an airplane and they see the flight attendants and the pilots, and off they go to their destination. What they don't realize is what it takes to get them there and what it takes to get the aircraft off the ground.
Aircraft are designed to fly efficiently in the air. They're not really designed well to be loaded and supported on the ground. We have to design specialist pieces of equipment to load and unload and operate the aircraft whilst it's on the ground to enable it to fly efficiently in the air.
People actually may not realize that every single flight you go on, every flight you take, be it military, commercial, domestic, international, requires ground support equipment to support that flight.
There's pushback tractors that push the aircraft back. There's cargo tractors that deliver the cargo and the suitcases to the cargo loaders. There's passenger steps that allow passengers to get onto the aircraft. And there's aircraft de-icing, which is a critical feature because when aircraft are in winter conditions, they need to be protected from the ice build-up on the wings. So it's a critical part of the business.
As a former airline pilot, I can tell you the importance of aircraft de-icing. The instance that comes to mind is Tampa, Florida. They had an ice storm several years ago. Several airlines were not equipped to de-ice at all. What actually ended up happening is the fleet was grounded. It rolled downhill to Atlanta, to Dallas. Eventually, the whole country was affected. Thousands of people didn't move that day simply because ground support equipment wasn't in place.
If we didn't have ground support services, freight wouldn't be delivered on a daily basis, passengers wouldn't get to their destinations, and the whole airline system would be disrupted and stopped. Ground support equipment over the years has required a lot of technological advances because of the ever-changing aircraft, the composites that are used, the emissions requirements, and everything else that we have to do to keep up with the industry.
I've been in this industry for about 25 years and there's been significant changes. The main changes are the speed of operation and the aircraft turnaround times have reduced significantly. And people want to fly with lower cost tickets, and that means to be more efficient on the ground. And being more efficient on the ground means that we have to invest in technology in our ground support equipment to make it the latest technology available. Because ultimately, if we can be more efficient on the ground, it reduces airfares and the airlines can fly people a lot cheaper and to more destinations.
Ground Support Specialist, GSS, is a certified manufacturer of high-quality, American-made ground support equipment for the airline industry.
Unlike some other manufacturers in the ground support equipment industry, GSS manufactures all of its equipment from the ground up. It's all purpose-built, it's specifically designed for its purpose, it's built to last in excess of 20 years, and it's built to take a beating. It's tough equipment. It has to be.
We don't purchase off-the-counter frames, off-the-counter aerial devices. We get raw steel in, we build our equipment from the ground up with our bare hands, and in that we take a lot of pride.
Here at Ground Support Specialist, one of our strongest assets is our ability to adjust to customers' needs.
In our industry, we're considered one of the small guys, so that gives us the ability to adapt on the fly to provide equipment to the customer specifications. For example, most conventional de-icers have 2 engines. We design ours with a single engine. In addition, we design our heater to be the most efficient, EPA-friendly de-icer in the entire world.
Specializing in aircraft de-icers, belt loaders, purpose-built chassis, and engine wash carts, GSS products can be custom designed to meet our customers' needs.
At GSS, we build a high-quality, American-made product to meet our customer specifications in a manner that generates long-lasting business relationships for many years to come. Our primary objective is to provide quality equipment at a reasonable cost.
One of our best assets at GSS is our customers. In this business, your reputation is everything, and we thank them for their support for us.
At GSS, we pride ourselves in being a partner rather than a supplier.
Find out about Ground Support Specialist at gssonline.com.